Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about spammer list update on Truecaller. Truecaller is a caller ID and spam blocking app that helps protect users from unwanted phone calls and SMSs. You should update your spam list on Truecaller to protect yourself from spam calls, fraud, and other types of abuse. The spam list helps protect you from crime, fraud, and abuse. Spammers frequently change their numbers, so Truecaller updates its spam list daily. Therefore, updating spammer list is necessary time to time. So, to update your spam list on the Truecaller app, you have to go to Truecaller app. As you can see in the screen, we have already opened the Truecaller app. Then you have to tap on the protect option. This phone is already spam protected, so you are not seeing that update option of spam protection. After getting into this protect section, you will get to see update spam protection, where you have to tap on update protection to get yourself protected from spams on Truecaller. So that is how you are going to protect yourself from spammers on Truecaller. Thanks for watching.